This video covers the F major arpeggio for the F major chord. The key of F major has one flat. So if you're going around the circle of fifths, this follows the B flat major. B flat major is two flats. We took a flat away, we got one flat, F major. We're close to C major. When we take this flat away, we're back to C major. So you pretty much gone around the circle of fifths by the time you finish F or the one flat key signature. The notes, simple enough, for F, A, and C. Fourth finger on the A, and we're here, spread out here, and then here. It's the same fingering as the C major and the G major. Any of them that uses all white keys, that's fingering. That's F majors here. Beginner level, you do the tremolo exercise, one note per beat, up and down, one octave. Keep it slow. Drop the wrist on these accents. We're just trying to get the feeling, the physical feeling of where these notes are and how much the hands have to spread out. Then do the arpeggio up and down one octave. Good enough. Now for the intermediate level, now we're going to do everything in the beginner level plus two octaves at two notes per beat. Start with the tremolo exercise. Here, you can come down here actually, it's here. And it's one note per beat first, up and down one octave, and then do two octaves, two notes per accent. Drop the wrist, accent. Then go ahead and do the arpeggio, one and two octaves, one and two notes per beat. It's close enough, and keep it slow, please. It's the accents, and dropping the wrist is really what we're after here. Now for the advanced level, we do everything in the beginner and intermediate level. And then we go 3 and 4 octaves. If you've been doing the tremolo exercises like you're supposed to and before, then you may not need to do the tremolo exercise on this one. You probably already have this arpeggio under your fingers. But we're going to start in the same place here, and it's just one note. Then two notes, two octaves. Three notes, three octaves. Make sure you drop an accent. That's very important. And also do the contrary motion as well as the parallel when you get to 4 octaves. Once you've done that, then go ahead and do the inversions. It's the same pattern we've done before, except now we need to go down another. We're too high. We need to go down here to start first inversion here. Keep the same fingering we had before. Cover those other fingerings in other videos. This video, you keep this fingering no matter what inversion you're doing. And then the second inversion, you're starting here. And the whole bit up 4 octaves once you get there, and then do the contrary and parallel motion pattern the whole bit.